So it's an F today. Welcome to the episode number 6 of Nutzaboutme. And I thought, what do I do with an F? Now I could pick up a fruit, but I said, let's do this as a surprise episode. So I have an interview right now, and I have just showered. As you can see, I washed my hair, and I'm going to do some fast forward face makeup. Some of the things that I learned in my days in the film industry and theater is fast forward face makeup. So here I go. I always now start with a bit of an ice rub. As I said, I have this habit of sleeping on my sides and squashing my face in my pillow. Side on. So there goes my thing. I'm going to wipe it. Just tap, tap, tap. Face firming done. I'm going to throw spray some mist on my face, which acts as a toner. And then, here's a surprise. I take a pinch of coconut oil. Now, I'm going to do this at home, so I'm not going to put too many creams and things like that. And coconut oil is great if you can take it on your face. Rub it, rub it, rub it, make it really warm. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. And tap, tap, tap on your face. It's a great sunscreen as well if you really don't want to put heavy sunscreens on your face. It's also very good to put a bit of, I learned this from a Sonam Kapoor video, on your lips before you start yours. Now, for the quick tips. So, a primer, always a primer. I use a Laura Mercier Blur, which I will just use on the parts of my face which tend to have these open pores. And then I take my blender, which has already got some nice ice on it. Take a bit of the CC cream, which a little bit will go a very long way in doing most of the covers. Beautiful. And then I have this very beautiful, it's the eye concealer from it, but I use it to cover the whole thing. So I just do the whole face, and what I do is I take a little teeny weeny bit and I rub it to make it warm, and I'm going to put it under my eyes. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. So no foundation. I've actually stopped using foundation. So my face stays pretty light, and I just use a concealer to conceal some of the red spots around the lips. And I'll just use my blender to blend it. From now onwards, I'll just use the blender, the magic blender. And then I'll take this MAC powder foundation, which is very light. Wonderful to just cover the rest of the face bones. Now, eyebrows is the introduction to yourself. So while my eyebrows are pretty okay, I do like to fill them in a little bit, just to give that little bit of a touch. Then I'll take a beautiful shade of purple. I don't even know which brand this is, but it just suits my face, and I'll just go tap, 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 just to give a bit of color to my cheeks. Smile, 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 go all the way up. Not too much, smile. The bronzer, again, maybe Charlotte Tilbury, anything.